Alright guys, we are going to be talking today about changing decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. Fractions and decimals are the same thing, they're just written in different ways, so we can flip back and forth between them to make our lives a little bit easier. So, we're going to start with changing decimals to fractions because that's way easier. So, we've got 6/10 here, so we're going to think about how we say that number. So we say it 6/10. Now, if I told you to write 6/10 as a fraction, you would be able to do that pretty easily. Okay? 6/10 as a fraction is just 6/10. Okay? So then, you may notice that we can simplify that. So we can divide each of these by 2. So when we simplify 6/10, it equals 3/5. So 6/10 as a decimal is equivalent to 3/5 as a fraction. So then, now we're going to go to changing fractions to decimals. This is a little bit trickier. It's got a little bit of an extra step sometimes. But I'm going to say, okay, we have 1/5. So the first thing we need to look at is the denominator 10, 100, 1,000, any other power of 10? Because if you think about how you say your decimals, it's tenths, it's hundredths, it's thousandths. It's going to make our lives easier if we can go ahead and have it in that form. So I've got 1/5. That is not a power of 10 down here. So I need to make an equivalent fraction, just pretty easy. I know that 5 times 2 equals 10, so I'm going to be fair. And now I have 2 over 10. Or I say that as 2/10. Okay? So then, if I need to write it, I know I can write that as a decimal as 2/10. Easy peasy. So, what I want you to do, after you finish the front side of your form, on the back of your paper, I want you to do this part. It's 2 questions. I want you to write 3/10 as a fraction, and I want you to write 1/4 as a decimal. You can use this up here to help you.